I have minimal amount of work I have to do to upload the rents coming in. Payments are done automatically. My accounts get reconciled, and at the end of the month, my reporting is fairly simple. My name is Manny Meneses out of Granada Hills, California. I work for Park Regency Realty and have the group signed with Manny Real Estate Group. And I manage single-family residences with some multi-unit. One of my specialties is in wealth management, particularly investment properties for my clients. I currently have 19 units in my portfolio. I manage single-family residences, and some of them are multi-unit, meaning there's 2 units on the property. I heard about DoorLoop through a Google search I did. I typed in top 5 software managements for investment properties, and DoorLoop was one of them. I looked at the top 4 first, and I just couldn't find something that I really liked. And then I went on to DoorLoop, and I guess the simplicity of it, having the least amount of experience on these type of systems, made it so that DoorLoop was a right fit for myself. The reason I switched over to DoorLoop is I was using an old antiquated system with spreadsheets through Excel. However, I had to print rent receipts for the tenants, I had to do reports for my owners, and it just became really overwhelmingly high demand for paper. So with DoorLoop, I have the ability to send tenants payment receipts on their cell phones or via email. It made my life so much easier, and I'm glad I made that change. Before I started using DoorLoop, I had everything on paper. I had paper files, and I had a mess of a desk with an overwhelmingly amount of documents everywhere. DoorLoop gave me the ability to put all my transaction worksheets and leases on one system, available for not only the tenant to see, but also for my owners to be updated with everything going on. So DoorLoop solved a huge part of my issue on a monthly basis. The amount of time I save with DoorLoop can probably be about 30 hours. I went from 37, 40 hours a month to 7 in 1 month because everything is just automated and nice and easy. My favorite DoorLoop feature is actually the automated rent receipts that the tenants get. I don't have to worry about them calling me and asking me that I got their rent check or their electronic payment. They know because they get notifications via text or email. Their support staff made it extremely simple to get my system working and update all the things I needed to do and loading my paperwork onto the system itself. I am extremely happy with DoorLoop, and I thank their support staff for helping me so much. So much has changed now that I started to use DoorLoop. It simplified my life. It enabled me to get more automation involved into my property management on a monthly basis. It allowed me to take on more business, and it made my customer service a lot better for both sides, the tenant and the owners. I have to say, DoorLoop really changed the way my business is working nowadays. I would strongly recommend DoorLoop to anyone looking for a property software management system, mostly because of the simplicity. I don't have an accounting background. I just have clients that needed me to take on a business that requires a lot of administration. And if you don't have automation, it can really hurt you. It can take a lot of time away from you.